Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Apna Coding. Today we'll see how to build an attractive resume with my resume building tips. So the first one is power of tailoring. In that, first is keyword magic. Analyze the job description for the keywords and phrases. Sprinkle them strategically throughout your resume. This helps to you get noticed by the applicant tracking system, which we call as ATS, used by many companies. Then show, don't tell. Instead of simply listing your responsibilities, use action verbs and quantify your achievements. For example, instead of saying manage social media accounts, say increase social media engagement by 25% in 3 months, likewise. And third one is the so what factor. For each experience, explain why it's relevant to your job you are applying for. How does it demonstrate your skills and fit the employer's needs? Then second one will be the strong summary of objective statement. First point in that is your elevator pitch. The section is your resume introduction. In a few sentences, highlight your career goals, top skills, and what value you bring it for. Then choose wisely. Use a summary if you have experience and what to showcase your accomplishments. Use an objective statement if you are a career changer or entry level job seeker. Then third one is the format and design. Clean and readable format, we have to keep it. And choose a clean font and format that's easy on the eyes. Then white spaces is your friend. Don't cram too much information onto one page. Leave plenty of white space for visual appeal. Then keywords are keys. Like use bold, italics, or underlining the to the highlights keyword and important skills. So fourth one is the beyond the basics. Like we are having the skill section and projects and achievement section in our resume. So list both technical and soft skills. Be specific and relevant to the job you are targeting with. And in projects and achievements, if you are with any side of projects or volunteer work or extracurricular activities that demonstrate your skills, just include in them in that. Then for portfolio or website, this is most and important. If you have a portfolio or website or online presence showcasing your work, include the link in resume, so it would be beneficial for you. Then proofread. What it means, you don't even a small mistake can turn off your potential employer. So don't do the silly mistakes and error in your resume. Make it clean and neat. Have a friend or mentor review on your resume before you and submit it. Then fresh eyes, consider you using a resume scanning tool to catch any hidden errors are there or not. So some are additional tips are there, like we have to keep our resume in one page unless you have extensive experience of 10 plus years. Try to keep your resume to one page. Use action verbs, like instead of responsible for, you use the verb like manage, led, developed, implemented, likewise. Then quantify achievements whenever possible. Use number of quantify your accomplishment. For example, increase sales by 15% in 1 quarter. Like we have to quantify what we achieved. Then get the feedback. Ask your friends, mentors, or careers counselors for feedback on your resume. Follow these tips and tailor your resume for each job application. You can create the first impression and increase your chances of landing an interview.